Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to use our dust collector during an e-file removal. Let's get into it. To start with, connect the adapter to the Gelous Nail dust collector and plug into a power point that is switched off. To enter standby mode, turn the speed dial to the right until the first indicator light turns red. To start suction, turn the speed dial further to the right. Choose between low, medium or high. To turn off, turn the speed dial to the left. When the red indicator light is on, the device is in standby mode. Turn the speed dial further left until you hear a click to turn off. Once you have inserted your preferred drill bit, turn on the Gelous e-file by holding down the power button. Press the power button again to increase the speed. I will be using it at level 7. Turn on your Gelous Dust Collector to the preferred suction level. I will be using it in medium gear. Today I'm using my Gelous e-file in forward rotation with a Typhoon drill bit. Start near the cuticle and work down the nail, applying even pressure. The pressure should be enough to remove your gel nail polish off in one stroke. Make sure not to apply too much pressure or you will damage your nails. Carefully move the drill bit around the cuticle, turning your hand when needed. The shape of the Typhoon drill bit allows you to safely get close to the cuticle and side walls. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush, then apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. To clean your Gelous dust collector, dust the excess dust into the filter while it is still turned on. Switch off and wipe with a damp cloth if needed. Do not use nail polish remover or acetone of any kind, as this will damage the labels. Gently lift up the protective cover and remove the filter. Empty excess dust into a rubbish bin and reinsert. Make sure to replace the filter every 6 months or so if you're a typical at-home user. Put the cover back on, making sure it's clipped into place, ready for your next removal. Thanks for watching.